The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm here again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now viewers and subscribers, I want to listen to me carefully because in my point of view, it seems as if there are persons out there who did not learn from the George Floyd incident. Listen to me carefully. I am going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that have been recorded somewhere within a country that is known as United States of America. I do not know when these videos have been recorded. These videos are about a man who used racist slurs towards an African descendant family. And then in one of these videos, the man made the mistake of giving out his home address. Viewers and subscribers, a large number of people turned up at that man's house and protested because of the things that he said in one of these videos. I read in a news article where it is said that the man had been arrested by the police. I am going to present these videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, but before I present these videos to you, I'm going to tell you that one of these videos shows the confrontation between the man who's said to be a white man and at least one of those African descendant persons. One of these videos shows some things that happened when the large number of people was at that man's house and they were yelling and shouting at that man. It was said that they were angry at the man. Alright, so before I present these videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I'm harassing you, you young fucking punk. What are you gonna do about it? Nothing. What are you gonna do about it? You know why? Touch him. You're gonna do nothing. Touch him. Touch him. Okay. Touch him. Pedo. Put your hands on me again. Touch him. Twice. Touch him. Twice. Touch him. And his name is Brandon. Pedo. Fucking monkey. Come harass all people.
You want to know why I'm going after him?
I don't care. I don't give a shit.
So why are you here?
I don't give a shit.
So why are you here?
I don't give a shit.
Then get the fuck out of here then.
I don't give a shit.
Put your hands on me one more time.
Oh, you put your hands on me. Come close to me. Come close
right there.
I know, right there. Come
That's
close
right there.
Come
The
close
rolling jerseys, back up.
Come close
Back
to me.
up. Keep
Come
backing
close
up. Back up.
Don't touch me.
Keep backing up.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Pedo, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Fucking nigger.
Fucking bastard.
That's right.
Yeah.
My parents are both dead.
Yeah,
Right.
what the fuck? My parents are both dead too.
And what are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
Nothing.
What you gonna do?
Nothing.
All what you do is harass all people. That's all you know how to do.
These motherfuckers are taking
I
my
don't
fucking
give
money.
a shit.
Well then
I
shut the
don't
fuck
give
up.
a. You shut the fuck up, monkey. White monkey. Motherfucker.
Right. You're right.
Get the fuck out of here. You can't do shit. Touch him. Touch him. That's all I want you to do. Touch him.
Suit up for you.
Touch him. That's all I want you to do. Touch him.
I know better.
Oh, don't you know better? Get the fuck out of here.
I got you 3 times. Touch
I
it.
don't give a
Brandon,
shit.
Don't worry.
I don't give a shit about you.
That's
Get
called
the fuck out of
assault.
here.
I'm gonna wait for the cops to show up.
Yes.
That's called assault.
Yes, wait for him to come here. Wait for him.
We will.
Yes, keep waiting.
I am.
You walking on someone's responsibility.
This isn't their property, you dumb fuck.
You dumb fuck. This is
They
their
don't
house.
know this is common
They
ground,
have-
you dumb, ignorant
They
nigger.
have rights over
No,
this
they
property.
don't.
Yes, they do.
They don't
Yes,
have any
they do.
right.
Get the fuck out of
No
here.
right. This is called common ground.
Get the fuck out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. That's all you know how to do. Walk up, harass all people.
Nobody's harassing anybody.
Yes, you have been. You have been.
Everything's recorded.
I don't
So
give
you
a
heard
shit.
Everything
I
I said.
don't give a
I want to have a
shit.
conversation.
I do not
If
give
you
a
don't
shit.
give a shit, then get
I
the
don't
fuck
give a
out of here.
shit. I don't give a shit about you. I give a shit about them. So you get the fuck out of here.
What? Okay, I have every right to be here like you do.
Oh yeah.
Just like he does right here. This is called common property.
I don't care.
Okay, well, if you don't care,
Walk away.
learn your laws.
Walk
It's
away.
not Africa.
Oh, this is not
Solomon, wherever the fuck you were.
I was born in America.
Well,
sir.
then you know what
I was
common
born in
ground-
America.
what common ground
and I don't
is.
give a shit
Common
about you.
ground. If
You
you don't
can't
give a
be
shit-
saying that what shit. Go out, go back to your house,
I'm
go
right
walk
here.
the dog, go do your shit.
I'm right here.
Okay, stay there right there. Do not talk to him. Do not harass him.
Be short.
I'm going to stay
This
right
monkey
there.
over here, this monkey over here, both have videotape of you putting your hands on me twice.
Oh yeah, exactly. So what the fuck are you going to do about it?
I'm gonna press charges.
Go on there.
We will.
Go on
Anyone
there.
know what the police can do?
What will the police do?
Nothing.
Exactly.
They have no jurisdiction here.
Okay, they don't. Okay, that's fine.
So when they get here, I'm gonna walk them the fuck off like I just did in front of Berlin's house.
Okay.
Who's Berlin?
Okay, I don't give a shit. I don't care.
The secretary of the board. Her and her daughter are the fuck out of here.
I do not care. I do not care. You will not gonna harass them. You will not gonna talk to them. Keep laughing.
I am.
Yo, good.
I will.
Oh, good. Keep laughing. That's all you
Keep
know how
running
to
your
do.
mouth.
That's all you know how to do.
That's it.
That's it. That's all you know how to do.
I didn't touch you. You touched
I
me.
don't give a shit.
That's good.
I
As
don't
long
give a
as you
shit.
know that.
Yes, exactly. I don't give
Cool.
two shits about it. You can't go press charges. I don't give two shits about it.
Hold on. You're right.
I don't
Hold
give a
on.
shit.
Why can't I press charges? Why can't I press charges?
Shit.
I have no jurisdiction here. Nothing. There you go. There you go. There you go. Brandon, you have no idea what you're getting involved in.
Don't talk to me.
And if you want to be involved in this, I'm
Don't talk
going
to
to
me.
talk whoever I want.
Exactly. Don't talk to
If
me.
you want to get involved in this,
Don't
you know
talk
what
to me.
happened to the last one?
I know what you did. You broke that window. So what
Windows.
the fuck you did?
Dude,
I don't care.
Cookie's
No.
windows got shot out with a shotgun.
I don't care.
222s to the fucking front face.
I do not care.
In Cherry Hill,
I
their
don't
fucking
care.
daughter got smashed.
Exactly. I don't
Is that
care.
what you want? No. And you want to know where I was when all this happened?
I don't care.
At work, monkey.
I don't care where you were.
At morgue. Just like I told the Mount Laurel police, get these fucking monkey niggers out of here and you can't do shit. That's me talking shit. 3602 Gramercy Way, that's where I live. Come fucking see me. So you're real comfortable, so get me on video so you know what you see. Bring whoever.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Hey, White, why are you back over here?
Oh, somebody called me.
Someone called you. It's private property. You have no jurisdiction here whatsoever.
I do
None.
when somebody calls me.
Hold on.
I need back up.
You know what? Hold on.
Back
Go ahead.
up.
No.
Back
I'm gonna
up,
let you
right?
do your thing. Go talk to these fucking niggers. Go ahead.
Stop.
Fuck you. Go talk to the niggers. Let them know what I'm all about and what their fucking rights they have.
All right. You want to go back to your house? I'll come back to you.
No, I'll stand right here. It's common property.
Okay.
Have a nice night.
You
Brandon.
guys team 1101? Oh yeah. How's it going?
I'm gonna let you guys get an education right now.
All right. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I'll do my job. All
No
right?
problem.
Who lives at 1101? Who called me? You guys want to step in and talk, or?
Leave me alone. I want him to go away. I don't know him. I want him to leave me alone.
Denise, I'm not going away until your husband stops fucking finding me and threatening me while I'm at fucking work.
Cagney, cut it out, man.
Oh,
Let me
wait.
talk to them.
Arrest me.
I'm not
you
listening right
can't.
now. Relax.
You fucking niggers.
Just cut it out, dude.
That's what you can see, Brandon. 3602 Gramercy Way. Come see me, you
Nobody's
fucking
coming to
monkey.
see you, Cagney. Go home. I'll talk to you in a minute.
That should not be allowed to go on.
I agree
That
with
should
you.
not supposed to be allowed to go on.
I agree with you. You guys all live in 1101?
Yeah.
Or?
No, just me.
Okay.
Don't want to litter on our property.
I appreciate that. Thank you. You want to get
Yo,
on
man.
talk real quick? Let's see what's going on here.
Circus? Did you know there was monkeys out
Cagney, cut it out, man. Go home.
People, some of the times when a person get angry, they might do and say some things and not realize what can happen because of his or her actions, you know. See, in my point of view, that man never expect people to turn up at his house and protest because of the things we're saying in one of the videos that I just presented to you, know. See, me don't want to see no racism war, you know. No, me no want to see no racist war. And some of the things that I saw in one of those videos really scared me, you know. Scared me. See? Listen. Let's put the whole racism thing aside. I'm going to point out something right now to you. See? Let me point out something to you. Let's say that generally the man was just angry at those persons. And even if the man didn't use any racist slurs or anything, see? The fact that the man went by that man's house, at that man's door at his house, and verbally attacked the man is considered to be wrong. Some of the things that he had done are considered to be harassment. So, without even the racist slurs, that man had done some things that are considered to be wrong. See? From you leave your yard and go attack a person verbally or physically at that man's yard, you're wrong. Point blank wrong. See? And then on top of it now, the man used racist slurs. Some of the things that I saw in at least one of these videos prove to me that there are many people out there who will not tolerate any form of racism. See? And on a real, it scares me. It really scares me because I don't want to see any form of racism war. I do not want to see black a fight against white or this race a fight against this race. I don't want to see none of them things, them people. It really scares me because things like that can cause a lot of problem in the world. Things like that can cause a lot of destruction in the world, as simple as it might seem. You see what I say? So, I don't want to see that happen. It really scares me, I tell you, because simple things can escalate to something big. You see what happened with the whole George Floyd incident? Eh? Take it as me tell you. So, to each and everyone out there, it doesn't matter who you are or where you're from, accept and love everyone as equal. And that me I go say to everybody. See? Accept and love everyone as equal, no matter who you are. Alright? Ask me and ask no for do that. Alright? So big up and respect to each and every one, and here's where I believe it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch.